Is your Corolla having problems starting? Let's replace out the battery. Okay, first thing you're going to need is the battery. It's an H5. If the battery happens to be in a rack, dig through the back. The one in the back was about a month newer than the one in the front. You're going to need a 10mm wrench. The ratcheting one helps out a lot. You may need a 10mm socket. You'll definitely need a 12mm socket, extension, ratchet wrench, and then I like to use this NCP-2 battery corrosion preventative spray. I'll put a link for these items in the description below. Okay, first, pull the hood latch. Next, slide the lever to the left and pull up on the hood and secure it. Next, get your 10mm wrench and loosen the negative terminal first. And put it out of the way. Next, push in on this tab and remove this plastic cover. Next, release this lever right here. Next, loosen the positive terminal nut. Okay, then place the terminal out of the way. Next, get your 12mm socket and extension and remove this bolt which holds the battery tie down. And you could remove it with this handle right here on the top. Next, we're just going to remove the battery. Next, place the new battery in the tray. Okay, next reinstall the battery hold down. And just snug so the battery doesn't move around. Okay, always start with your positive terminal. Let's remove the cover, and I'm going to spray it down with the anti-corrosion spray. Next, install the positive terminal. Snug, not too tight. Next, close the latch. And now reinstall the cover. Now remove the cover from the negative side and spray this terminal with the anti-corrosive spray. And now reinstall the negative terminal. All right, let's start her up. Much better. Okay, let me take it for a drive and let you know how things go. All right, just a quick update. On a positive note, the radio presets were kept, so that was a non-issue. The only updates I needed to make was I needed to adjust the time, and also the display right here needed to be updated. Everything else is working as expected. All right, if you happen to like this video, please click like, comment, and consider becoming a subscriber. Thank you.